Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Remove the case and any screen protector, then visually inspect edges for cracks or debris that can interfere with touch. Next, gently clean the screen with a lint-free cloth and a 70% isopropyl wipe. Make sure it's fully dry. If the display remains unresponsive, perform a soft restart. If that fails, do a force restart. Press volume up, volume down. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears so the system reloads. Once done with basic restarts, check iOS version and update to the latest release because software fixes often resolve touch bugs. Make sure touch accommodations is off and toggle relevant accessibility settings to rule out configuration conflicts. If touch issues continue, back up your data and choose Reset All settings to clear misbehaving preferences without erasing content. If that still doesn't work, restore your iPhone from a backup or perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes to eliminate stubborn software corruption. If software fixes fail, suspect hardware, inspect for liquid or impact damage, and check for loose display seams that indicate a disconnected digitizer. While arranging repair, enable assistive touch so you can use the phone despite touch faults. Make sure you've backed up beforehand. For physical fixes, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Technicians can test touch ICs and replace the screen or connectors. If repair isn't immediate, one troubleshooting tip: boot into recovery/DFU mode and test after a clean restore to separate hardware from software causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.